Hi, my name is Martina Avalos, and I'm a senior lawyer here at the Nieves Law Firm. And I wanted to address a question that I think is on everyone's mind when you or someone you know has been charged with a crime, which is, can a case be dismissed prior to trial? And the answer is yes, it definitely can. The harder question to answer is, will it be dismissed? And no one can give you a definitive answer on that. Now, a lot of things kind of go into this, which is that it's essentially the right of the DA to charge cases as well as decide when to dismiss them. And a lot has gone into a charging decision, at least hopefully. And that means that at some point, a police officer likely arrested somebody and made a recommendation that this person should be charged with a crime. And their supervisor reviewed that decision. And then it got passed to a charging DA. And a charging DA then decided what charges should go into a complaint. And then it probably got handed to the DA who's in the courtroom at the day of arraignment. So presumably there's been at least 4 or 5 layers of analysis before it makes it into a courtroom. So, you would think that cases aren't often dismissed, but that's just not the case, because often the government doesn't have the whole picture. So quite often we do see cases getting dismissed, but it's not something that we can adequately kind of assess ahead of time without knowing any of the facts, without knowing a person's history. There's many different ways that a defense attorney might be able to get a case dismissed. It could be, for instance, trying to show the district attorney that their case isn't as good as they think it is, right? Showing them the other side of it through our own investigation and workup. Or it could be that, we have a lot of information to present to them why it's just really unfair to charge someone who's in the particular defendant's situation with a crime. Maybe they're a veteran. Maybe they were in a fragile situation, like they were using drugs, or they were medically fragile or had mental health issues. So there's lots of different reasons why the mitigation, the workup about the person themselves might do a lot of good in terms of getting the case dismissed. But that's all something that I think a lawyer would need to assess carefully, and it's not something that anyone can guarantee you ahead of time. So, short answer, yes, case can always be dismissed ahead of trial. Much more complicated, lawyerly type answer, which is, you just don't know until you actually get in there and see all the different moving pieces. If you have any more questions, please give us a call. Thank you so much.